A very good morning to every one of you. I wish every one of you a very happy Independent Day from Standard School of Education and Standard Education Academy. Being a chairman of Standard Institutions, I wish from our behalf a very happy Independence Day. On this Independence Day, the very important thing which is required for any nation for its progress, for its development is education. Education plays a very vital role, very important role for upbringing of a nation. For a nation to be strongest, for a nation to be a superpower, technology is playing a vital, very important role, not just economically, not just financially, socially. It's bringing up lots of change in our societies, to be a strongest nation in this present era. So, to be the best in technology, the only source is to be educated. Educated in all aspects. Educated practically. Educated as per the need of the hour. We have to be educated in that sense. See, nowadays the technologies keep on going. We are going to robotics. It's going to very far level. Robotics, artificial intelligence, coding, medicines, science. See, coronavirus is a big pandemic we all are facing as of now. To fight with this pandemic, we doesn't need anything else but education. We require educated doctors. We require plenty of doctors. We are not getting, what can I say, the amount of doctors we need as of now. So the need of our nation is to be properly educate your child, make them the best as per the present era. I'm telling you again, understanding. See, our freedom fighters, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, they have given an immense effort for us to see a free India, a free nation. See, and we have got that particular free nation. Now it's our duty to take our nation to a highest peak of success, to make it a superpower. We can do it. See, I'll tell you one thing. It's a duty of every single Indian. And always remember, a single person brings a change. If every single person is doing its effort to upbring India, to give the best to the nation, definitely we all will succeed. Understanding? We will be up to the faith. We will be up to the faith of what our freedom fighters have thought of our future India. It's in our hand. So be united. Give your best to your nation. See, how we can give the best to the nation. Do whatever you are doing the best in whatever the field you are. You may be in any field, give your best. You may be anywhere, give your best. You be honest, you be sincere, you be dedicated. That's what a nation wants. Understanding? That's the thing which I want to convey a message to every one of you, being a chairman of an standard institutions, such that it should be a provoking, what can I say, awakening. It should be an awakening to every one of us. So we all have to contribute to make India the bestest nation all over the world. Thanking you all. I'll quit now again on behalf of all my institutes, Standard Educations and Standard School of Education. We wish you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.